Gindara Sablefish from British Columbia, Canada, also known as black cod, is raised in partnership with the Kyuquot First Nation. It is a beautiful fish, sashimi grade, high fat content, snow white flesh, and very versatile. I love it as a sashimi preparation. It is rich, delicate, and has a very beautiful mouthfeel. I love to use the top loin for sashimi. Slice very thin, it will stay very buttery and rich, yet very well balanced with all of the other ingredients accompanying this beautiful dish. This is my sashimi platter, served on a sea salt block. Served tableside atop of dry ice fog. Delicious! One of my favorite ways to prepare this beautiful Gindara Sablefish is to pan-sear it until the skin is crispy. And I baste it with tangerine glaze, served with black Thai rice, yuzu soy crust, baby apple, black truffle, pandy piece crisp, and saffron emulsion. It is smoked tableside with alderwood, which bring a beautiful balance of flavor. It is delicate, it is moist, it is beautiful. When I saw this gorgeous Gindara Sablefish, it reminded me of my grandmother preparing a family meal with local catch. So I placed this beautiful fish in a steamer, filled the cavities with fennel, lemongrass, chile, and thyme, topped it with kaffir lime leaves, carrots, beer, steam it for about 10 minutes, top with leeks, hot pepper, garlic, cilantro, and flambé with absinthe. This really brings awesome flavors to this beautiful fish. The fish is flaky, fatty, delicate, moist. It is just awesome.